Hello. Hello, I'm doing the streaming thing again today. I should be doing this more often. And what should have been done by now is this wonderful little clone that I've been working on for ages. That should absolutely be done by now. This feels too loud. I'm turning it down a little bit. I think that's a little better. I know, for me it's just a little loud. So there we go. I've turned it down a little bit. Music's down. But this is up. I'm sorry, Angelus. Can't you just lurk, have me on in the background? Hey, look. At least it's not me streaming 2:30 in the morning. There is that. But I've mostly forgotten what I've done in this because it's been a while since I've touched on this. I've had some things happen, and hoping that this goes well because I don't know what I'm doing. Give that a slightly better chance to watch it. 2:30 in the morning. That's 1:30 in the morning for you. What time do you wake up? Well, you know what I should do? I should have goals. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. But also, I wasn't going to be able to do a stream that late tonight because I have D&D and then class tomorrow. If you work then 10. Okay, but yeah, like, still, I wasn't able to do that. But I'll probably end up doing that Thursday night. Probably. I'll figure it out. It's going to be either I'm streaming Thursday night or I'm going to work extra Thursday night. Undecided. Okay. What do I need to do at the moment? I need to figure out where I was. My obstacle spawner here. I have my obstacle. That's the goal. Okay. So, in me, like, trying to figure things out in other, like, courses I've been doing off-stream for Godot, I have learned, that there are these funny things called there's like auto-loaded scripts. Oh, you can't see any of that. Oh, that's not good. Hold on. I might need to modify what is shown. Anyways, project settings. Auto-load. I can make a global script, which is not shown at all on here, but it's okay. So we're gonna make a new script, and we're gonna call it global, not globar. Global bars. Create. Now we have global variables. Ta-da. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to create a score as a global variable. I need to figure out how everything's connected. I've forgotten how everything's connected. Okay, so when the player dies, obstacle spawned. Okay, it's the obstacle spawner script right here. I've learned I don't do well with hearing voices in the background while trying to stream. Because you guys can't hear Spankus. But he is speaking. He's talking to his brother. I don't know. I've just learned that I get distracted very easily. Oh well. It's fine. Sending out a signal. Okay. I'm turning up the music for myself again. I think that'll do it. No, a little louder for me. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so goals. Getting the score thing to work, making a main menu, making a death screen. I'm gonna write this down so I don't forget. Scrap paper, beautiful. So I'm gonna take. We need to make a score screen, or the score variable, right? So I need the score to update as the player's scores. Score update. Gonna need the main menu, which I have a funny idea for that, so I'll get there. So the main menu, I'm gonna have a death screen. And what I would like on the death screen is I want to have a high score and a session score. Okay, and so we'll have those. Oh, I'm gonna put that down as like little extra things. So, first things first, we now have our global vars document right here. And we're going to need 2 variables. Also, last time I did this... Hi, Jay! Jay, look. I gave you a role. You are now... I gave you the artist role on my thing. Very cool. So you have that now. Yep. Because, I wanted you to be recognized. So I have you, and for the person who did my my offline screen for Twitch, I also have them as an artist as well. So you're my 2 artists. My little minions. Of course, I want you guys to have recognition. So when you're here, and I need to like find other places to put it as well. But yeah. Okay. So we need the score variable, which will, I've learned this as well, I can make it strongly typed. And I don't think I need to assign it right away either. Beautiful, okay. And this will be high, yeah, high score, which will also be an int. Perfect. And that now, I need to go to project settings. You guys can't see this. You can't see me go to project settings, but it's scripts, global fonts. Okay, so now from every other script, I can access global vars. So when the player, there's signal death, we need signal score. Just a guess, right? So what that should do, if I'm remembering correctly, if I go to the player, hold on. If I go to the player and I look on the node, yes, okay. So, no, it won't be on the player script. You know what script it'll be on? It'll be on the obstacle GD script. Because we'll say on body exited, it will send out... Oh, look, I already put it there. Ooh, found a gif of something like my funny cat. Let me see if I can find it again. Is it is it the original funny cat? The original pop cat that I totally didn't steal this idea from? Okay. But I have this sent out as a score signal already. So, I make this work. Sorta? Okay. Now I gotta think. Event signal score. I know Oh, I'm losing again my train of thought that I had last time. Except last time I had the excuse of being exhausted. Okay. Okay. That's text labels. That's not the same. Oh, you know what? You know what? I think I know what to do. So an obstacle spawn. The obstacle spawner here. Not quite. The obstacle container. So on body exited. Yeah, scores on body exited. Emit signal score. So that means... I connect that somewhere else. I know there's a way to do it. And I just don't remember how. I need to look through my notes. Send it to you whenever I get a chance. Okay, I'm looking. Oh my god, it's adorable. What is that from? It's so cute. It's just a little guy. I'm a rocket. Welcome. Welcome in, Mohammed Dev. Appreciate you stopping in. I am currently looking through my notes on how to do signals and stuff to work with the score, because this is going to make me look like an idiot. So welcome in to probably the worst time to walk in. Okay, not this. Not this one. I think we had written down... Where'd it go? It's clamping. That's different. Don't need to do clamping in this. Instancing. Don't need to do that. Okay, so not that one. Onward. No, not that one. Movement. Spawn enemy. This one, maybe? Oh! Thank you for subscribing, Mohammed F. Really appreciate it. Thank you. No, it's... No, it's not on Twitch, it's on YouTube. And talk to you, my English is not so good. That's okay. That's okay. With English as my only language, I mess it up very frequently, so don't worry about it. If you need me to re-say anything, just let me know. Damage. So did I... Flow. I wrote down the flow, but didn't write down how to do it. English, you mean that made up language that nobody understands? Yeah, pretty much. I've heard it said as like 7 languages in a trench coat or something like that. I feel like that's fairly accurate. Together. Okay, but how do I use the signals elsewhere? I don't remember how to connect it. Oh. This is not good. There was a way to. There was a way to. So I am actually going to go to a different project that I worked on for this thing. That's not what I want to do. Where is the... Okay, I'm gonna go to the project list. Real quick. I'm gonna go to this one. Because this is the one that did the whole, flow thing. So I gotta figure out how this worked. One enemy, spawned. It's not like 3 gnomes in a trench coat? Yes, it is very similar to 3 gnomes in a trench coat. Where is the enemy? No, enemy spawner has this. Signal enemy spawned. That's not what we need. We need enemy document signal. Died. Okay, and what takes that signal? There should be... Where does that go? Where does that go? Is the enemy... Where is it? Enemy signal. Let's just open that up there. Oh, does it not? Huh? Aha! Where does that connect to? No. Let's connect. Oh, I found it, I think. I did find it. This is exactly what I need. I found it. Okay, hold on. I'm going to copy and paste just that entire function. Please speak up, can't hear you. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I will turn down the music a little bit as well. I am also just a very quiet person, so I apologize. Okay, but this is exactly what I need to steal and take that to the other project. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so where does that need to go? Obstacle spawner. Okay. Hello, welcome in. Looks like CJ. Happy to have you. I apologize. I'm fumbling around a little bit. I think I've found my solution. To the issue of trying to get the score to work in a similar way to how it did in a different program that I was guided in making. But it's fine. It's not stealing, it's commandeering. Yeah, I'd agree. It is absolutely that. Now, let's just comment this. Let's just put this down here and comment that out. Just real quick. Okay. So it's enemy instance. So obstacle instance here. So an obstacle instance score, correct? I would think. Hello, Uhicha Anime. Welcome in. No, Uchiha. Jesus, I messed that up horribly. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. As the title says, making a Flappy Bird clone. Currently, I think I've solved an issue. On enemy spawner, enemy spawned. So. Okay. Oh. Signal obstacle spawned. Okay, so maybe this doesn't belong here. We're gonna take that away. And find a different place for it. I think that was in the main game script. So, there we go. And once again, let's just take a look at what was there. Okay, so that is obstacle spawner, obstacle spawned. Connect score. Okay. And that was also connecting, oh, oops. That was also connecting a function that I did not drag over. It's okay. Okay, so this will be obstacle instance. dot connect. Ooh. Dot connect was score, I believe I called it. Then I believe that is the function I want to create. So I'm going to create a function called on player score. Yes, I know. It's not declared. I will be working on that. Just a moment. Okay, so on on player SCORE. Is it happy? It's happy. Okay, good. Well, it's happy enough. Anyway. Um. Okay. Not bad. Okay. So we have on player score. We want to make the global variable score. We're going to increase it by 1. Play Minecraft with me. Is that in reference to me or is that in reference to Muhammad? Okay. On player score, we're going to increase. We're going to do dot score plus equals 1. Did I get that backwards? I feel like I got that backwards. Did I not? Hold on. Oh, that's why. Dot score plus equals. Should be good. And then if we go to the Okay. So now I have a way to increase the score. So let's also not printer print. We'll just print the global score. Just to make sure it's working. Dun, 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 dun. See if the score. Oh. It's not working. It's okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're just gonna set that to 0 for now. Just to make sure that it got that first one. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so it is not at all. So what is it printing then? What in the world is it printing? What? Okay. Okay, we're just gonna do print basically exactly what I have down here. So it does start as 0. It only counts the first one, never adds another one. This is not good. It's Flappy Bird. Bye, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Also, hi, Mamana. Welcome in. Nice to have people coming through. I should start streaming at this time more often. Okay. This. We're gonna get rid of that. This has what we need, I think. I wonder if I should probably move that up a little bit. That might help. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if just repositioning things works at all. Should stream at this time more. Yeah, probably. Okay, so it gets 1. Gets 1. This is not good. I also need to reset the score to 0 on death. Okay. Oh, is that why it's supposed to be plus equals? Hold on. I think I figured out what the issue was. Let's see. We get 1. Beautiful. We get 2. Figured it out. I did equals plus instead of plus equals. That explains a lot. Okay. So that should reset the score to 0. We can get rid of the printing. I'll just replace that with pass for now, just in case I want to add anything else in there later. On player death, reset it to 0. Before that, if dot score is greater than dot high score, then var dot high score should equal the score. There's gotta be I'm sure there's an easier way to write this. It's okay. Okay. Then little UI that's right here. That I believe I made a scene. Yes, I did turn that into a scene. Okay. So then, Okay, so the UI is probably gonna end up with a no, maybe not. Hi, welcome in, PMG. Good to have you. I'm struggling, but it's okay. We're making a Flappy Bird clone. And if I can, I hope to have like all of the actual things finished. Should be able to do. And then it's just down to like art and stylization stuff. Which I might not even do, so, you know. All right. Oh, that's right. I also wanted to make a death screen that included the high score and that run-through score. But first, it's fine. We need to make the score in the UI update. And the way to do that... Oh, the way to do that. Know what I am. Looks like Keanu Reeves. Let's see. Yeah, Keanu Reeves. Oh, Mohammed. Oh, wait. Okay, okay, okay. So, question: why a Flappy Bird clone? Besides the fact that it's easier to try and do, um, mm, mostly because I had, with the course that I was doing just before I started this, I had a lot of relevant lessons. So things like the obstacle spawner, right? So this was pretty much ripped from the course that I was doing with slight modifications, right? So I think there were more spawners in the other one. Um, and then like as far as emitting signals, player movement, things like that, a lot of that was just very similar. And so I just felt like doing it. Also including the, where is it? Where is it? I think it's in the obstacle spawner. No, it's not. Where did I put? Huh.
What was that?
Do I have a place? I don't have a place to despawn. Oh, I don't have a place to despawn the obstacles. That's not good. Oops. Okay, so I need to have a kill box for this thing as well. I need to add that onto the list of things to do today. Kill box for obstacles. Okay, so we'll work on that after the scoring. Let's do the scoring first. So, we know that every time that the player scores, we need to update this thing. So, I should be able to access that container through the script. Let's see. What does that do? Drawing order, not the... Okay, that's fine. I understand that. Hello, Shriha... Hello, welcome in, Shriha Yosef. Good to have you. There's... I'm surprised at the amount of people coming through on YouTube, honestly. Normally there's a lot more people coming through on Twitch. But, hey, this is nice. I'm not complaining. Happy to have you guys. Okay. So, I need to get into the UI, which includes this label, which I want to put a second label as well. We'll get to that. So that we're going to call score label. This is purple yellow diamond. Hold on. Wait, let me... I will be just a moment. Okay, only momentary. I'm back. But welcome in, Khadija. I hope I didn't say that confidently wrong. All right. So, score label. There. That's the UI. I might rename that to just be like lowercase, just because that's easier for me in general. Especially because everything else is lowercase, and that should have updated. Okay, so we'll actually remove that, yes, and we'll drag it back in. Or not, I guess. We'll drag it in from the bottom. Or not, I guess. Why are you not cooperating with me?
Oh.
Just being in the YouTube chat. There's a lot of people in the YouTube chat. Well, I say that. You can see in the top corner that the last one just left, I guess. So, I don't know. Whatever you feel like. But Player death box. What is that? Oh, I see. I see. I see. Okay. Okay, so I now have the UI in the proper location, I believe. We want that. Is that at the position 0? I just want it at 0. Layout? No. Yes. On position, just at 0. Perfect. And as I update this one, score label, and then I will duplicate that and do score label. That makes sense. That definitely won't mess things up at all. I'd like to zoom out. There we go. We're gonna move it. I think that one is along the top, correct? Okay. Move that along the top there. Da, 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 da. That seems good enough, right? And we're gonna rename that to... No, 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 no. High score. I want that to be caps as well. Look at that UI design. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Best of both chats now. That is correct. Oh, I realized. Let's put the high score down here in the bottom. I feel like that might be a better idea. What's this one? Channel settings. Layout. Transform. Okay, so position 13.0. So I want this to be at layout transform. Also at 13. There we go. So it's the exact same. Queenie, hi! Queenie, where have you been? Nice to see what it's nice to actually see what you're working on. Well, right now it's just text. It's just words. It's just words. But it's okay. It's okay. Whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. Control S. I wanted to save. How's it going? I'm fumbling around, but it's okay.
What's happening?
I am making Flappy Bird clone, and right now, I need to make the score update. How do I make the score update? I'm gonna show you. Because I think I figured it out. So, on player's score, we might need to include, we're just gonna include at on ready. Or we're just gonna call it the UI. Equals the UI. Voila, right? I might just name it so it has, you know, a little more uniqueness. There we go. Okay. So. No, it's not there. It's not gonna go there. That's right. It's gonna go here. We need, so we need, This is, that should probably be in the on ready, right? Because that'll happen as soon as the game area gets launched. So yes, I know you're gonna be mad at me because I removed the past statement. So game UI dot h score label. Oh, okay. Equals high score space plus no str global vars dot high score. Okay. I hope that works. Let's find out if it works. I don't think it. Oh. Base control. What's wrong with it? Valid set index. Shut up about that. Okay. This is not good. You don't have Discord? Why am I live? I do have Discord? Oh, yeah, no, I have Discord. I don't know many people who don't have Discord, actually. Let's see. Okay, so it's having an issue here. Why? It doesn't like that I'm calling from things that exist in this. I think that's it. So why does it not recognize it? That's what I want to know. I wonder if this would work. Okay. We'll change that. It'll be score UI. And then we'll just do the exact same thing. But instead, we'll do high score UI and high score label. Maybe. Oh, not that. UI. Let's try it again. Huh? Okay. Just want to draw now. Okay, so now that that's gone, the high score did not update when I died. This is not good. Try one more time. Just because. Da, 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 da. Nice, I scored once, twice, 3 times. Huh. Okay. Stumped. Welcome in, Alcaro. Good to see all the YouTube people. Talk to know my Navo. Talk to know my Navo. I'm not sure what that means. But okay, so this is not good. Can't be used during the in-out signal. That's undesired behavior. You know, I want to know what my alternative is there. Whatever. So how? I think I know why. What's the game I'm making? Right now, I'm making a Flappy Bird clone just to see if I can. Really, just practice. But I think I figured out my issue. We're gonna replace that with pass. We're going to see if this works. Alright, so I got 1, 2, and nope, that still did not work. Now, before we get to this high score, let's just update the score. Bad Cop, hi! Welcome back in. And Toji from YouTube, welcome. How's everybody doing? if you have alert command or not, but I'm gonna get some work done in the background. If you need me, holler. Understood, Jay. I don't have alert command. I should probably do that. But, you know. Okay, so we're gonna see if or UI will work. UI equals score space. Oh, yeah, I don't need to do all that. Nice game, but the character. There's not really a character. I just need to stand in. And I mean, it's just the same as my little guy I got in the corner. Courtesy of Jay, who just needed to go get some work done. Oh, no, yes. Bars dot. No, Jesus, I cannot do this. Dot, score. It's fine. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm doing. Absolutely. Oh, well. You are correct. You are correct. Thank you, Bad Cop. That is absolutely correct. I completely forgot about that part. That's probably why it wasn't working before. Okay. That's score dot text. Okay. On base int. What? Oh. That's not where I wanted the oops. Hold on. That was the wrong place to put text. I got too excited. Okay. I think, okay. And score UI. Okay. Try it again. Let's see. Okay. The character is good. Okay, thank you. I appreciate that, Alcaros. Scores updating. High score did not update. Okay. Ooh, in the end, it's just training. Absolutely. How many games have I done in my life? This is the only one I've done on my own. So we'll crash Unity soon. Possibly. But it has different uses, I know. I haven't messed with Unity before. I know there's a lot of people who prefer it. But, you know. I haven't used Unity yet. I will be trying it out, at least. Okay. Square UI dot text. Okay. What you? A little in Godot. I don't know enough about Godot. I think we're in the same boat. Okay. So I got the score to update. How do I get score label? Just want to make sure. Just for shits and giggles here. Okay. Hi, welcome in, Zippy. Unity needs more money. Unity is fairly money hungry. The nice thing about Godot is that it is all open source and it's, you know, funded by donations for the most part, if I'm remembering correctly. Which is pretty nice, which is very nice. I like having Godot as an option. Okay. This. Text. Close. Nice. A string. So why is it not working? You know what? Let's just do something horribly inconvenient for the program, but let's just see if it works. Where am I from? I currently live in the US, born and raised in Florida. Oh. It broke. It broke bad. That's an indexed. It's now instance I type string. Why? Why is that bad? That's strange. It's because the high score doesn't have a value yet. That explains it. Okay, so we're gonna set by default the high score to equals 0. Just to begin with. Let's try it again. See if it works. Okay. Thanks for your time. Thank you for coming in. Utopia, I appreciate it. Oh, it broke again. it broke again very quickly. Okay. So why is this bad? Null instance of value type string. Hmm. Stop breaking. I'm not trying to break it. It just is breaking. You know, I don't know. I'll get there. I'll get there. Bad cop was a big help with the dot text because that was entirely forgotten on my part. Oh, I figured it out. I figured it out. I figured it out. That's much better. Okay, get that out of the way, and we'll try this solution again. See what happens. Check the collision. The collisions were working fine. It's messing with the score in the high score UI that have been getting me. Get hold of my I am. Oh, I just realized this. Ooh, why? Oh, that's not supposed to be on the bottom layer. I've also just realized that. Currently, oh, the high score didn't update either. Okay. Whoop. So, I'm. Oh my god, words. Currently 20, going on 21 in December. I am most of the way through my associate in science after I swapped my degree. Because I was originally just doing CIT, and I was like, you know what, I'd rather do programming. So I'm about halfway through that. I'm gonna start. I'm currently in classes. Final exam will be next week, and then I'm starting my fall classes, and then I should be done with my associates by the end of summer, by the end of next summer, and then I'll probably be starting my bachelor's after that. Because I have a scholarship. I was lucky enough to get a scholarship that will cover up through my first bachelor's. So yeah, cool stuff. Now, get rid of that. I'm gonna move it again. Oops. So I've moved it again. Why won't that update? Tizzy, hello, welcome in, Tizzy. I'm currently breaking things very badly, and I don't mean to, but it just happens. So right now, I'm trying to see if I can get the high score to update when my little guy dies. And it is not. It does not want to update at all. So equals. Alright, so score is greater than that. Change it. Does it just... I don't have it set to anything to begin with? Will that help? Maybe. Maybe. We'll find out. Dun, 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 dun. Thunk. No. Did not help. Okay. Oh, I just want to know why the score is working and the high score is not. That's why I'm running into issues. So I have player score that updates. Let's move this entire if statement up here. See if it works. We'll just see if it works. Ah? Oops. Okay. Oh. Oops. Oops. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. It's not, I tried to click the X button. It didn't work. Okay. Huh. Okay. So it resets. Oh, score is greater than high score. Hmm. Maybe. Maybe. It would help if I had some local. Is the game endless? Technically, yes. You have to put in a save high score feature. I don't know if you've done that. So what I've done is I've created a variable in the global variable script that is supposed to store the high score here. Welcome in, Wallet E. What does... Okay. Welcome in. Good to see you. Yeah, so save high score feature. I kind of have. It's currently stored in a variable, but I think what I need to do is make local variables for it and then assign the global variables to the local variables. Workaround might work. Var, I call it L score for local score, for it to be local to this thing. Int. Then we'll have var LH score, var local high score, which will also be an int. And then we'll see if that helps. So if the local score is greater than the local... no. No, hold on. Equals... No, not course. No, score. Oh, score. You know what? Let's try this out. Just see what happens. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, now it just doesn't score at all. Oops. Okay, it's fine. Okay. That's where you are. Okay, so we're gonna move that elsewhere. We're gonna move it down here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay. Not working again. Okay. The Minecraft. I do play Minecraft. There are a couple VODs up from when I was playing a little bit more often. Mostly Amalgam. Uh, the two videos that are on my channel are both Minecraft. But I haven't really had the time to edit between studying and work. So yeah. So I've managed to completely break everything by adding in local variables. So we're just gonna go back to before I did that. Let's just go and make sure that the old thing worked. Oh, bye-bye. See, I told you you broke it. Okay, yes, maybe I did break it, but shh. Okay, so the high score should be staying. Why is the high score not staying?
Also, I think because I was a bit of control
Then pixel art is very useful for your projects. I agree. I am also just not much of an artist. I'm perfectly fine with boxes for learning purposes, right? Um, so like if I go to make like a proper game, something that's going to be released, I'm probably going to hire somebody to do art. You know, pay them for it, pay them for their effort. But I probably won't be doing the art. Hi Squid, welcome in. Good to have you. I'm trying to not break this again. Okay. So death. Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Tell me your programming game. I want to see what it was. A Flappy Bird clone at the moment. Nothing too big, nothing too special. Just literally Flappy Bird. I am trying at the moment to make the high score work. Because I can get the score to work, and I can make the high score work like the score does. But that's not what I want to do. Why did I start making games? I start making games. Because I wanted to, honestly. I have, like, as, like, you know, this naive little kid, oh man, I want to make a game, you know, kind of thing. And then I just never did it. And then I took a programming class, not this summer, but last summer. The teacher was not great, but I found I still enjoyed it anyway. And so I was like, you know what can I do with this? Oh, wait a minute. I can actually start making games. That would be fun. So I found resources. I started following Pirate Software, which this soundtrack that's playing in the background is actually from his game, Heartbound. It's free to use as long as you have purchased the the soundtrack. So as long as you purchase the soundtrack on Steam, you're free to use it in videos and whatnot. So I looked at his guide. I started watching his streams and stuff. I was like, you know what? I can make a game. So that's why I'm here. So this. I think what I'm gonna do is instead of having score as a global variable, because honestly, that's stupid. Ryan, you're stinky. Ryan, get out, you're stinky. just gonna show up, call me stinky, and walk off. I see how it is. VFX, nice program for free sounds. I'll take a look at that. I'll write that down so I don't forget. VFX. Right. There we go. I will keep an eye on that. Score. Welcome in, Sito. Good to have you. I am having realizations, I think. So, I'm gonna go back to having the local score. I'm just gonna call it score, even. Because there's not gonna be any more global variable score. There's just gonna be score. There. Alright. And we'll do this. So then, maybe, probably not, but maybe. I actually want to make sure I didn't break the normal score for this first. Oh. Okay. What did I do wrong? Oh, that's what I did wrong. I didn't change this one. I also didn't change that one. So, whoa. I do have that there. Okay, so we'll set that to 0. And that should be it. No match. Beautiful. Let's try it again. Yeah, no, it exploded. Rip. That is correct. Okay. Maybe? Nope. Nope. What's wrong with this? What? Invalid operation. Operands nil and int operator plus. What? It was fine before. Is that a thing exploding, Jay? Is that what you've sent? Okay. So why... Score, maybe if I specify that that's an int? Maybe? On God. I'm at war with Godot right now. Dun, 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 dun. It's a glowing sword. I see. I fixed it. It's not broken anymore. Okay, so if I die, the high score does not update. Beautiful. Let's look at the debugger. See what it's got. Okay, so it has nothing to do with this. Okay. Closest thing I got to something exploding. My head, it's my head too, man. It's agony. But it's okay. I want to solve these problems. Just as a temporary thing. Let's just try to store the high score here. Let's just remove all of its global variables. Because maybe that's breaking it. And I should know better. I should know that that's what's breaking it. Let's also make that an int. And hit play. Yeah, no, it is so far what I'm working with. Okay, score 1, score 2, score 3. That seems good. No, that does not update. Got 99 problems, but I don't know what isn't one at this point. That's just everything. And the more, actually the funnier bit. So I'm gonna move this up a little bit so you guys can see the debugger continually rise in number. It just keeps going. And it's angry at how I decide to handle the death of my little guy here. It doesn't like it, and every time it pops up 2 more errors. I do love meowing. Welcome, meowing man. Oh man. I was just demonstrating how Godot really doesn't like me just reloading the current scene. It would much rather have me, I'm sure, despawn the little guy and then reload, but it's okay. Who? No. No, I did say hello to meowing man. Oh, okay. So, that's fine. I'm ignoring these things for now because that's not. It's fine. It's fine. Meowing. Okay, you know what? Maybe if I put it before. You know what? Well, I'm not sure how much it would matter, but let's find out. Because maybe that was the issue. Just the order. Could very easily be the order. Making it angry. Also, I know this isn't the final shape, so it would not be really funny if the cat meowed and he died and break stuff. That would be incredibly funny. Let's see. No, high score still doesn't update. Okay. Stop mewing. Don't worry, I'm not mewing. I'm meowing. No, don't worry. If I was meowing, I'd at least try to make it sound like a meow, you know? Okay. So that doesn't work. What else? What are my other options? What other options do I have? Apparently, this is not what I want. So I'm just gonna add tona coins. Make the pop noise as it dies. Just game has a lot of meowing things. Oh, talking to Meowing Man. Okay, okay. Here's a lot of meowing things. There's only one thing that meows, and that would be the player. It's just this guy. It's just a little guy right here. You know? That is the meower. Okay. Okay. I'm stumped. Just a little stumped. Let's see. Full bong rip. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, what? No, please tell me you're somebody I know and not a rando. Who are you? Is this a
How much?
informal raid? I think. Oh, it is a raid. Oh my god. Hi. Hello. Oh my god, hi everybody. Welcome in. I was very confused by the prepare your anus. Thank you for the comments on the avatar. Welcome in everybody. Thank you for the what was that? 18? Wow, okay. Hi. I think oh no, the follows from earlier this stream. I saw that the follower count had gone up and I was like, wait a minute. The bong has just come. Got 26 viewers, wow. Foxen, welcome. Oh, did that not show up? Please tell me that's showing up properly. It is. Okay, awesome. Hope your anus fares well. So far it's doing okay. Infinitani, Foxen, thank you both. Trigger, welcome. Think Trigger? I'm assuming. Oh god, there's so many follows. Okay. Thank you all. Welcome in. It's called Infinitween. Okay. You might be going to jail. To jail too. Infinitween. I just spelled it wrong. I see the guy saying prepare your anus. I think that's exactly what was said, actually. Infinitween. Waiting for the game for Android. I don't did I select? I think that works with it. The clip pond. You live on Twitch? Yes. I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube. Dual streaming. It's pretty cool. The Infinitween. Oh, I have a what is this? Hold on. Let's see. There's a I've been instructed to watch this. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Not Infinitween. Tween is a Godot function. Now I'm curious. Let's see. Let's see if you're telling me the truth. That's probably not the place to search. Well, I know I can. No, hold on. Wait, this. This is what I want. Something here. Search help. Yes. Look at that. It's a class. There's the clip next to it on my channel. I have to go back and clip that raid video. I would appreciate that. The game will be in Steam, Xbox, PC, and mobiles. Yeah, releasing on everything. Okay. Just from Infinitween. Okay. tween that'll get you put on a watch list. You gotta be careful. You you know, if you think these are sexy, you know, that's not me on the watch list. It's Johnny. Alright, using tweeners? That sounds like a slur. Lightweight object used for general purpose animation via script using tweeners. Mostly useful for animations requiring a numerical property to be interpreted with a range of values. So basically, tweens are great for child labor, is what I'm getting here. Right? Tweens doing all the hard work? When laughs at me needs to follow to keep me mentally sane. Thank you. You know what? I think that's fair. I think that's fair. I think that... can you put some particle? I don't know how to do particles. That is not something I've learned how to do yet. Meowing particle. I think I just need to make it play a noise. That make me a tweener. Second most viewed software in game dev Godot tag. For me. Who's the first? Oh, how long have I been Godoing? So technically I started learning back in like February, but it's mostly been on and off. Between, you know, like school and stuff. And school and work. Just like Flappy Bird and Cats, full bong rip. Have you also been making a cat-themed Flappy Bird clone in Godot? Versus practical NPC. Start then Godot back 20th July. 30th. Yesterday? Do you mean yesterday? Miss them. Oh man, do you have experience in other engines so far? Oh, making a Mirror's Edge themed Godot game. Nice. That sounds fun. No. No? Ooh, ooh. Learning Godot since September. So I just wanted to make a game about etching. Oh, goodbye, meowing man. Who has some meowing to do. It's my first engine. Shut up. No. No, it's fine, you know. If that's the kind of game that you want to make, then that's the kind of game. Oh, I need my water. Oh, I think karma hit me. Oh. It's okay. Oof. No, I need more water. Okay, fixed it. I think. Quartz Psionic, thank you for the follow. Goodbye, guys. I'm gonna punch Meowing Man. Okay, goodbye. Begin learning Godot on the 1st of August, 2024. That's impressive. I would call that very, very impressive. Oh, my cousin's birthday is in 2 days. Oh. I need to message her. Okay. Godot veteran for negative 39 days. I think 12 days ago. You know, I started back in February. I started a course, finished the first game, and then just like got so busy with everything and set down that course I was doing for a while, for a couple of months, and then I picked this one back up again in God, when? Probably April-ish kind of time, maybe like early March. Actually, no, I don't know. I have VODs to prove my statements. I'm probably wrong, but let's find out. Where's my channel? YouTube, where you at? I need to see my channel. My lives. 2 months ago. 2 months ago is when I picked Godot back up. And yeah. Ooh. Just made a game for Game Jam. Would you like to review it? I would love to. Was it for the Pirate Software Game Jam? Perchance? Oh, it was my first game. First independent, not course guided is this one, actually. This Flappy Bird. Okay. Ooh, most recent duration. Long FPS. Enemy despawns on death. Player death added. Reloading added. Nice. Let's see. Ooh. Nice. It's the version before the restart again. It's fine, it's fine. As far as like coding and development goes, like it's just a matter of time before we rip everything to shreds. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see. Ooh, $250. Damn. Still too shit for pirate software. Understand that. Felt that. I was going to join this game jam, and I was like, you know what? I haven't even finished Flappy Bird. Like, I'm not gonna do that. It's on infinityitch.io. I will have that pulled up. Ooh, that looks like fun. Okay. I will check that out. Maybe I will do another stream like Thursday night. Check that out and just like do other random gaming streams and stuff. It's first for the restart. It's not about winning, it's about gaining experience. It is, yeah, it is all about experience, but also I don't like me personally, I don't wanna I don't wanna submit this. You know, I don't wanna submit this with like the little gray boxes and stuff. I wanna submit something that has like looks at least like a sketch, you know. But good job on winning, honestly. $250 sounds amazing. Like I don't know. I don't know, like I'm a big fan of money. I feel like a lot of people are big fans of money. Ooh. What is for best written devlog? Oh, okay. I didn't even know rewards like that existed. Let's see. Oh, that is a nice devlog, though. And a silly one, too. I love the very stationary cloud. Let's see. Massive fan of money. Should be controlled by a person saying meow and make it flap. Incentive player who isn't a fan of money. You know, all of these are good points. Honestly, so I probably will just like for shits and giggles stick with the this little stand-in image here, the little guy. Originally this was meant to be called Flutter Moth. And it was going to be based off of my idea for the last Pirate Software Game Jam. Which was, you know, about the, like, it's spreading sort of thing. This is Nyan Cat. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's not Nyan Cat. Don't say that. It's not. It doesn't have the little Pop-Tart. I mean, I'll take it 2 fucks in. I also just don't have a way for that to happen, though, so it's fine. But, yeah, so I had a concept for the last Pirate Software Game Jam. That was going to be, like, a moth-themed RPG about cloth spreading across the world, and you have to find, specifically, cloth-eating moths, in order to devour the cloth that was spreading over everything. And then that just didn't happen. I did not have the knowledge, I did not have the time, variety of things that just got in the way, so I wasn't able to submit. So I was gonna make this into the main character that was intended to be of Moth and Cloth, and just call this Flutter Moth, and it was gonna be my little white witch guy flapping around. Now I'm just gonna leave this as is. Ooh, new version of the Bong Parkour combat Bong Parkour combat game, because I can't speak. Let's see. Ooh, with the different weapons. Ooh. Looks like a lot of fun. New version. This is just Flappy Cat. Yeah, this is just Flappy Cat. This is not all that impressive. It's just learning. It's just throwing shit at the wall and seeing what sticks. Alright. So. Legit just said that. Yeah, no, this is now just Flappy Cat. That is correct. Flips were added because George was bullying me about liking a game with too many flips in it. Well, you know what? If you like flips, you put the flips in. I think that's completely reasonable. You did the correct thing. It's now lurking. Is that... I'm gonna go play Wizard Tycoon on Roblox now. Okay, how did you do that? Did you just paste in italicized text? What was that? Because I don't have a lurking command. I don't think. Does anybody know how they did that? I haven't. Look. Oh, really? Okay. I didn't know I had a lurk command. Is that just a default thing? Because I didn't set that up. Oh. That's good to know. It is just a Twitch thing. Okay, okay. So I was just like, wait a minute, who is messing with my shit? But nobody's messed with it. It's good. Okay, go enjoy Wizard Tycoon. Have fun. Have a good time. Thank you for coming in. Are you on crack? I don't have that. What? You don't? Just try. Just. I don't know. It's unrecognized. Love us. Infinitani, what have you done? No. This is wrong. What? No. What have you done? Too many lerps he left. No, now I'm lerps greater than between. I am bamboozled, perhaps. Right? Can I wonder I'm just curious what happens if I type lurk. Will it let me? Unrecognized command. Hey. I have been lied to. She was flabbergasted. That is correct. Flabbergasted, bamboozled, baffled, even. Discombobulated is another good one. It has hurt itself in its own confusion. Oh. Other words for confused. If I can't think of any more, someone may defenestrate me. Infinitani broke something. I guarantee it. Infinitani broke something. You did so. I like Twitch. And streamer doesn't have command. Oh. Welcome in, RMC. Rimkatuo? Oh, oh, okay. Welcome back on an alt. Trying to use italics to break the watch list. I figured I was just copy and pasting italics. I figured. Well, you know, I'm dumbfounded. There we go. I didn't think of the next one. Someone throw me out the window. Okay. Fine. I figured it was copy and paste text, but I just wanted to make sure. Because especially, okay, so I use Restream in order to dual stream. And it showed up weird. It showed up as orange text. Probably to show that it was italicized. But I was very confused and slightly concerned about why that was happening. But it's okay. We're good. We figured it out. Just copy and paste. Does that on mine too? Okay. That's good to know. No, I don't know if it's possible to do italicized in YouTube chat. So I don't know if it'd do the same thing there, but whatever. True befuddled. Google is a gift. It's literally not copy paste. Then what is it? Please tell me your secrets. Single lerps. No, now it's different. Now this one's italicized in Restream. But it's not yellow. No, it's not! It told me, the streamer, that it's not a recognized command. You're wrong. I can't trust anybody anymore. Skill issue then? Jay, can you verify this? Jay, try the / lurk. Please. I call upon thee. Okay. I've completely stopped doing everything. Interacting with you guys. Okay. Lurk. See? Try the / lurk though. Meowing man has finished his meowing. No, see? It doesn't work. Meowing man, on the Twitch side, Infinitani is using witchcraft. And I'm preparing a steak and a bonfire. Muhammad Hassan, welcome in on Twitch. Alright. Who's getting the unrecognized? I thought so. Alright. Alright, folks. We need wood for a bonfire. We need a steak. We need some rope. We gotta put Infinitani on the bonfire. Who's got a flint and steel? This is witchcraft. Let's do this. I forgot to upload to get. Oops. Tani, this is witchcraft. Okay. This. Okay. I forget my text is not working. Here's witchcraft. No witchcraft in my chat. Secret room with the clip fail? That sounds great. Sounds like I need to stop by on a bong stream. Where am I from? I am from Florida, in the US of A. It is certainly a place to be. Secret thing about this bong. I do have the 2023 icon thing. I just don't have it equipped. I have been lied to once again. Bong is complicit. Oh. Well. I feel like I'm being gaslit here, and I don't appreciate this. 0.001% chance of getting a secret fail screen. I don't know how to do that. I can probably figure it out with like a random number generator thing. What's my Discord? The rain is here. Exactly as shown. Oh, this is gonna be okay. Let's see. Huh. Okay. Okay. All right. I believe. I believe. Y'all gotta stop using poor people Twitch. What do you mean? What do you mean stop using poor people Twitch? Stop it. I pay for Twitch Turbo, okay? I'm not using poor people Twitch. Blech. Let's see. Cause I don't know. I don't know, man. Let's Honey, I've sent you what I get. Okay. Support Israel or Palestine. That is a loaded political question that I'd rather not talk about on stream. Should probably start to learn Godot now. No, you said you started learning August 1st, 2024. Haven't you begun? Look, you gotta subscribe to everything now. It's all a scam. I blame capitalist economy. Well, you know what? Look, it was either I have subscriptions to all of my friends, which I cannot afford, or I just pay for one Twitch Turbo subscription and get no ads, and people still get money. So, I chose Twitch Turbo. Why not use Unity? Unity is much better. I just haven't used it yet. That's all. I have a course in Godot that I'm taking. I have a couple of Unity courses and a couple of Unreal courses as well. I just haven't gotten to them yet. It's just been not really enough time for the most part. So yeah, I just haven't gotten around to it. Never understand courses. It's literally all on YouTube. They were, what? I was like $5 for a ton of courses, honestly. Like, I got a Humble Bundle thing recently. That was like a ton of, I don't have $5. That's fair. But like, I got a bunch of stuff that was super discounted. So I think for like a Godot, 2 Unreal, 2 Unity, and 1 other course, I paid like $20 on Udemy. Courses usually offer support too. That as well. I personally do very well with. Oh, welcome, Drensoft Games. Thank you for the follow. But I personally do well with structured learning. I like having a guide, right? I don't want to learn how to do. I'm scared of learning how to do something the incorrect way, and then not being able to pull myself out of a bad habit. So having the extra support, having a structured environment, and with the course in particular I was taking, let me pull it up real quick so I can not like butcher it. I don't think I'm gonna butcher it, but like so I can actually remember what it is. I gotta log in. Okay, fine. I guess I won't be saying it. Yeah, so I don't know. There's a Godot course I was taking on that. That was very nice. I was able to take notes on it. It was just nice. Sounds like a skill issue. Maybe, but it's my skill issue and I own it. I'll do it a different way every time. That's one way to that's one way to do it. I'd forget all of the different ways I try it. It's like trying to make a bunch of different passwords. Can you make GTA 7? I know I cannot. Mostly because the budget for GTA 6, wasn't it like it wasn't like a couple billion, the budget for GTA 6? I don't have the budget for a GTA 7. I just don't have that kind of budget, man. Drinking Minecraft 2. I like Bitwarden. I have not heard of Bitwarden. You guys have me looking up all sorts of stuff. Bitwarden. Oh, password manager. I have LastPass issue with LastPass is you have to pay if you want to be able to use the browser and the mobile version. So how dare I'm sorry. Supposedly my mom had gotten the like LastPass premium or whatever and had invited me, but I went looking through all of my emails and I do not have an invite, unfortunately. So I don't get the LastPass stuff on browser and on phone. I only have it on my phone, and I feel like that's gonna pose an issue for me. Trout Bitwarden, please, I love it. Is it available for free on phone and browser? Because if it is, that's already a step up from me. Ooh. Parakeet? Parakeet. Jesus, why did I say peer? Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Cool game to try to make. A version of the unpacking game. Ooh. Make Harem Simulator 3D. Oh. I can attempt. I can attempt for sure. I don't know if I could put that on Twitch though, or on YouTube for that matter. I don't know if I can do that. Maybe if I start up like a coffee thing or like a Patreon, do a Harem Simulator 3D on a coffee subscription thing. Also, we know what coffee is. Okay, I'm sorry. I mean, just most of the time when I mention it, nobody has a clue what I'm talking about, so I have to be like, it's like Patreon, but better. Also, remake Harem Simulator 3D. I'm realizing now that means there is an existing Harem Simulator 3D. So let's see. let's see. Hey, Harem Simulator 3D. Let's see. And that's probably forever in my search. It doesn't exist on Steam. Gets you access to Harem Simulator 3D, not a down with your childhood friend VR version. Oh, yes, I know about the last one. The funny bit about that one, is my boyfriend actually bought that for one of his friends, but, as a joke. So he bought that for one of his friends, and then because me, him, and a few of our other friends are sharing a Steam family library, all of our friends are being like, why does he have that game? why does he have that game? Can that be explained? Yeah. Have I made anything new in the game? No. I've been talking. I've been yapping a little bit. Might have been yapping. Might have not been actually doing what I'm supposed to be doing here, but it's okay. Oh, I probably need to go in like 15 minutes so I can get food. I'll have some yapping. That's true. It's true. You can mark games private. That's true. And so what he did, I have no shame. He heard me. Guys, everyone say hi to Spankus. He's the one who got the gamer's friend. The Yap Master. I'm the Yap Meister. I direct the yapping. I was about to say I'm in control of the yapping, but I'm not. The Yap Mistress. Yes. Yapping for the Yap God. Okay. The yapping is in control of you. Yeah. Oh, man. Audacious gave me miss techno now. We all miss techno. Yeah, but yeah. But it's okay. We yap in his honor. The Yapstress, Audacious Gabe. Blood for the Blood God, yes. Skulls for the Skull Throne, oink oink. Oh, I do love making games. I don't know. I like solving problems and I like playing games, so I like to make things that I would enjoy playing. And I like playing stupid, silly little things like Flappy Bird, among other things. Will you write Audacious Gabe? Yes, because, I will. I normally need to like go searching, so having somebody lined up already is great. I love annoying people while I pretend to make games. Felt that. Drop by sometime. I did go and follow actually, so I should be notified next time you go live, and I will try to drop by. What am I making? Flappy Bird clone. I'm actually not making it right now. I'm yapping, but it's fun anyway. Imagine following the tween master infinitween. Yeah. So I'm mostly just talking at the moment. I feel feel like on Twitch it should just be switched to just chatting, but it's fine. Yappy Bird! Perfect! It'd be fun to rename Python. No, not Python. Using the Godot engine. Which is the only one I really have experience with. Tweeny Todd, what does that mean? I have to change stream to just yapping. Yes, GD script. That's correct. Yeah, that's the language. Day to honor a viewer's wishes. I made a made command? What does that do? What does the made command do? And should I be concerned? Did you follow full bong ramp? Yes, I actually did. I'm not telling you, find out yourself. I will be there next stream and I'll figure out what the made command does. What about Unity? I just haven't gotten around to trying out Unity, honestly. I will get around to it because I want to try a variety of different engines and try out different things. Can you make games without using any engine? Theoretically. I imagine I could make a text-based game in a command prompt sort of thing. What's the word I'm thinking of? Console. So you could probably make a fully text-based game, or even, oh, if I remember correctly, Dwarf Fortress, the original, was all in a computer console. So like where the command prompt is. So yeah, Shell. Thank you, Shell. So if I remember correctly, that's how the original Dwarf Fortress was made, and a variety of other early games as well. Let's see, started Unity back in 2020, and then Unity did their shit right when I was getting back into game dev, and well, now it's been a year of me on Godot. Yeah, that sounds about right, because Unity was... I heard about that shit show right as I was starting to get into it. Like get into game dev, and I'm like, oh, well, I guess I won't be using that one. But on the other hand, that's the only one within industry level certification. And I want to get industry level certifications to work in the industry. So I am going to have to be a Unity at some point. Let's see. You can make Flappy Bird using Excel. I've seen the short on that. I've seen somebody do that. Self-taught, kind of. More like homeschool, if that makes sense. I have mostly been doing online courses, supplemented with own research and trial and error. They're all what age group? I'm 20, going on 21 in December. Make a mini type adventure game. See, that sounds small. There's a lot of different paths that people can go unless I make it super linear, and then that's a lot of story more than... Stop talking and write some code. I know. Yeah, get wrecked, you child. Shush! 21, get wrecked, you child. You know what? Fuck you, old man. What? Yeah, so mini type adventure game. That would be... I feel like that would be more story writing than scripting. Going 18 this year, if y'all are children, what does that make you? Like a baby Infinitani. You're like a little baby. A toddler, like, running around. That's better at programming than I am. Duh baby. There you go. How many programming languages do I know? I wouldn't say I know any of them, to be honest with you. Let's see, you know. I wouldn't say I know any in particular, but I have dabbled in Python, C++, C#, GD script, and XML. All the ones I've dabbled. Oh, HTML and CSS too, if you count those. So those are the ones I've dabbled in. I've looked up how to do some very basic things with Minecraft. So like I know minuscule amounts of Java. And I started learning JavaScript a while ago and don't remember a thing about it. I can do Python and GDScript pretty well, and if someone had a gun to my head, I could also do C# and C++. That's fair. Learned C. Yeah, I haven't learned C. I don't know how often it's used anymore. May! Hi, May! May, look, you have an artist role. You have, look at it. You're special, May. Look at you. No question. When you write some code, do you take the complexity, or are you just writing? What do you mean take the complexity? No, assembly. I do not know assembly. Did C# for summer before game design at college. Better than the teacher just because the code was new as heck at the time. That's funny. I love that. And the teacher never touched C#. Yeah. My object-oriented programming, when I was doing C++, the teacher kept writing it in C# instead of C++. She kept writing a bunch of the things in the wrong language. So yeah. C# was released around 2000. Yeah, you can take a 3-year gap. Yeah. You old as hell. Okay, I need to... What I want to get done before 8 o'clock, because I have a thing planned for 8. I have D&D tonight at 8, actually. I want to get the high score working. Complexity of my code. I don't know. I'm not sure what you mean, honestly. I try to consider, like, how readable it will be. I try to add in comments where it seems reasonable to add comments. I try to make things make sense. I use very descriptive names, which will probably bite me in the ass eventually. But I feel like mostly I just write. I want to play D&D. It sounds so fun, but I've never understood how it works. It's... So, have you ever... Let's see. D&D got pushed back to the 3rd. Okay, so D&D is basically just a bunch of people playing make-believe with rules. And it's great. Okay. Here. Go ahead. So, I'm just demonstrating for Ralph over on YouTube. This is what I got so far. The UI is not where it belongs. The UI belongs on top. That is something I still need to fix, and I will be fixing that in a moment. So as you can see, the score is working. The high score is not. The high score does not update. This is a problem. Do you know how D&D works, but I do not know how to get into it. Need to open mouth pointing down to go up. Yeah. Okay. Do you know how D&D works, but I do not know how to get into it. I just started, honestly. One of my friends got a starter kit. 1 in 10,000 for deep meow on jump. That's funny. The Flappy Bird clone like 6 months ago. 6-hour challenge just to make sure I can complete at least one project. D&D's multiple personality disorder with rules and luck based. Yeah. No, I had a lot of fun last session, and then one of our players has been randomly absent. For often, not often, not good reasons. He's had good reasons. But we don't know until, generally like 30 minutes before, if not 30 minutes into. 98% talking, 2% coding. That's correct. And do you have a high score coder counted? Yes, I do, actually. So, what it does, what I have right now, is up here on player scores. So when the player scores, the score will go up by 1. There's an extra space there. I didn't want that there. It prints the score down here to the console, so you can see right here where it's got it. If the score is greater than the high score... Welcome, 100 Tech TV BSM, and also... I cast testicular torsion! Okay, I see. Where's my Twitch? Da, 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 da. And we are, can we... Do, 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 do. Next. What's that timestamp? Timestamp. 23. 39. Ta-da. Okay. I think... Okay. I think that'll do it for the bot there. Okay. Oh no, to follow the mend I cast unstoppable diarrhea. In bot message. Yes, I know. I was dealing with the bot message. I reported it, put the timestamp in and everything. Can I make the coin or fish? This is my first game. This is my first solo game. I don't know what you mean by the coin, Alcaros. So shits and giggles until someone giggles and shits. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. So, anyways, yeah, Jay, and to answer you, yes, I do have the high score coded in. So what should be happening is the high score. Like, I wonder if the reason why it's staying the same is because it's reloading the scene? Because the only, like... Should I just have it on a different thing? Like, I'm wondering if it should be in the UI script. Honestly. And like score to high score. Yes. So, if the score is higher than whatever the high score is currently, then the high score changes to be equal to score. The Georgester, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Let's see. So yeah, so I have the high score here will become the score if the score is higher. Then I have it to change the score as I scroll through. And then when I die, what's supposed to happen is the high score is supposed to change to this variable that has been changed to the maximum score. And then it resets the scene. And I wonder if that's the issue. Sorry for the basic questions, can't read the code. It's okay. It's okay. It's good to explain because it helps me get my thought process across. What are you studying? I am currently getting an AS in programming and analysis. So this coming semester, I will be taking database administration, advanced web design, advanced websites, I think, and object-oriented programming 2. So I'll be doing C# in the next couple of weeks here. Where are you changing the high score label text? I'm changing it before I reload the scene. And I originally put it after, but then that didn't happen anyway. Once you're starting the scene and get rid of all variables, you need to make it persist by saving it to a data structure, preferably a resource. Okay. So I originally had it saving to a global variable. And that wasn't working either. It was having the same issue. Because you're new. Yeah. No, I looked at them and was like, oh, okay. Make it persist, so, make it stay by saving it to a data structure. So I'm just confused by the data structure and resource bit, basically. Thought you were going to do cybersecurity at some point. Was I wrong in that? You were not wrong. I was initially going to do cybersecurity. And then I decided that was not where I wanted to go, because that's like high stress. Okay, make a new script. Making a new script. Thank you. I appreciate the walkthrough. Okay, so new script. You can't see the pop-up, but it is there. I need to figure out how to fix that while also making it so that I don't have to share my entire screen. But the pop-up is there. It does exist.
Nobody wants my bug.
Let's see if that... No, that doesn't work. Yeah, that works. Okay, that doesn't work either. Okay. You can make Godot a single window if you want, but that gets rid of floating windows, as you'd guess. Yeah, I like my floating windows. So let's see if I can't just add in my screen real quick. Add. Mom says hi, by the way. Jay, tell your mom I said hi. Let's see. Screen one. We'll do that. Oh, it's immediately visible. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna move that down just a little bit, so not everything is visible. And that needs to go below the overlay and everything. Below the overlay. Beautiful. 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 Okay, I think that'll do it. So now you can see everything. Okay, how many games have I made? This is the only one I've done on my own. And something like Score Holder. Score Holder. Created. Let's know when I'm coming by again. I have not been going down that way too often, and mostly when I am going down that way, I'm going to visit my grandma. Okay, open it. Opening, opening, opening. Score Holder. Do extends resource. Okay. Okay. Oh, so class name. Yeah. Score Holder. Right below that. Okay. Variable that holds your high score there. Like so? Or indented?
The problem is, it's like, I think, yeah, I did team deathmatch. And they
Set it
were
to
so
0 by
like
default. Okay.
all over 1,000.
Uh-oh. Oops. Do I have to come kidnap you like with Ren Fair? The Ren Fair is here now. Delete all the functions below. Gotcha. Done. Oh, and Jay, mind you, you guys almost got eaten alive last time. You guys tried to snatch me up to take me to the Ren Fair. Good where you're saving your high score. Okay. Currently have it in local variable. Was originally saving it here. We're just gonna go with this one right now. Let's put for our score hand. Okay, 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 okay. Export bar.
You took too long. You know what sucks?
Score handler. Okay. Why is there warning in the player? Does that mean something wrong? Size change of the rigid body 2D will be overridden by the physics engine when running. It's fine. There is a warning. As far as I know, it hasn't messed me up yet, so I'm doing okay. How's the puppy? So Lucy actually passed away. Liver cancer. Little over a month ago now. Thank you. Dove. Oh, I thought I wouldn't cry. Okay. It's square. Oh, oops. Okay, yeah. Holder. Right? So that's yes. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, that was I just had it for a long time. So it's a little rough, but doing okay. Because I mean, she was 10. It's a long time for a lot of dogs. So, thank you. Yeah, she had a happy last couple of years. Click on the thing that has this script in the scene tree. Okay. Okay. What is the time? The time for me right now is 7:36. So after Infinitani finishes very kindly helping me through this, I will probably be rating. It was Gabe Ascension, I think it was that Bong was Bong was asking me to raid.
I like playing with my butt.
I don't know where it is. I'll have to find it. Oh, there it is. Audacious Gabe. Okay, that's who it is. So that's who we're going to be rating. Get to the end. Is this the wrong thing you clicked on? Okay, that has the script in the scene tree. So I'm on the game script. I've clicked the game node that has the script attached. Later rain, bye squid. My country's 3 a.m. That's early. You probably need sleep. You need to get sleep, man. That would be very good for you. Something else and click on it again. Okay. I see. Because that's right. That's what the export variable was. And I don't... Oh, it's right here. It's 5 a.m. here. Infinitani, what are you doing? You need to sleep too. Jeez, okay. After this, then sleep. It should say score. You're right. You're right. Okay. There's like a issue with not saving it. Interesting. Now it's gone. Okay. Huh. Are we sure this is on the game script? Game GD. Attached. Yes, that is correct. It's the right script. Okay. Oh wait, it's there. It's there. It worked this time. Oh, you know what it was? I think what it was is there was not a space before between that. I get the feeling because that's the only thing I changed. Okay, click quick load. Leave. No. I'm sorry, I don't. Oh, I'm a fool. There we go. Fixed it. Did it. No, I knew that. It blanked. I blanked. I do that often. Go to the file tree. Looking at it. Right click on it. Right click on the. Go to the file. Oh. Oh, okay. I was like, is that, what do you mean? Okay. New resource. Oh, create new resource. Okay. Snom, you can't just walk in here and say Sigma sauce. Does score holder show up there? Let's look. Yes. I see it. Handler. Okay, we're on the right track then. Royer885, thank you for the follow. Close this. Okay, closing this. We did export. Export is in game GD. Export. File? Okay, so there's export file and export global file. File, just file. Okay, gotcha. Control click on it to open it in the docs. Oh, yes, okay. So string property as a path to a file. Path will be limited to the project folder and its subfolders. See export global file. Okay. Filters provided on the magic. Also property hint file. Okay. Oh, there's a bunch of other ones too. Oh, bar sound effect. Interesting. Okay. Very good. All right. Go to the score handler and choose score holder resource. We just made the file system. Like so. New score holder, perhaps? Requires variable of type string. So this needs to be like so. It's a good time to say this is my first time doing this approach. Oh, you fill me with such confidence. There's a variable type string, the type score holder was given instead. I just do that instead. But the dragging it in here? Was I not supposed to? Is that not? Wait, hold on. Choose the score holder resource. I see. You know, I did both, if that helps. Yes, okay. Yeah. Let's see. A second, let me fire Godot and do this myself first before I fuck this up for you. When the ready to prepare their anus. Okay. Actually, Tanny, I will be working on this another time. Because I do need to go get food because D&D starts in like 15 minutes. So I need to eat before then because I will starve. They won't let me walk away. All right. Thank you so much for your help. You've given me more things to look into because I did not know that was a thing. So I will be figuring out how to use resources and doing some research. Thank you guys so much for hanging around. Thank you guys for both the raid, for my stream. I'll show it to you on there. Do you know when you'll be streaming next?
Oh, same here.
Because depending on when, so I work night shift Friday and Saturday. So tomorrow like 10 p.m. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Then I should be able to, yeah. So I will stop by and I'll hang out. I'll come chat a little bit. We have to raid Audacious Gabe. So let's get that ready to go. Raiding channel. It's 5:15 a.m. I need to go cook me some ramen. Yeah, you need to go get food and go to sleep. Let's get this Audacious Gabe fellow. And y'all, are we ready for a raid? Let's raid their anus. All right. All right, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, everybody.